Creative Ireland commissioned the Walls project to create a really long mural at the Bowing Championships this year, and they in turn asked me to get involved because a lot of the work I do in murals is about sustainability and flowers and natural motifs.
The very backbone of the Reimagine project is creativity, and I always think of creativity as harnessing imagination into action. Creative Ireland allowed us roll out a programme nationally. It allowed us reach the corners of this country with projects that really inspired people to improve their built environment in a very creative way.
The aim of the project was to pass on skills that would be lost otherwise. Creative Ireland provided finance and personnel to take part in the Transfer of Skills programme.
Creative Ireland has supported me and it's given me great opportunities along with people who were like me. For the Téigh, they opened up a new door in which people were able to express their creative side. It's really expanded my mind in terms of creativity.
Zoom at the Hugh Lane Gallery is an exciting new education project engaging with all of the primary schools in Dublin City with their City Art Gallery.
Personally, it was very satisfying for me to pass on the skills that I had obtained over the years in the printing industry to a new generation.
Creative Ireland was really helpful in getting this project off the ground and creating a kind of space for interaction between myself as an artist and other people who might not be involved in the arts.
Creative Ireland is a great initiative and we are delighted to be involved with it and to look forward to continuing that involvement with it in producing exciting and vibrant programmes.